Hi everyone, it's Donna here from Donna's Creative Corner, and today I have more Gypsy kits for you. Well, actually it's one kit, but I have 3 available. The kits are $40 a piece. I am asking for 1 kit per person, please, because I want these to be able to go around to as many people as possible because they're so popular. Let me get started. The $40 does not include shipping. In the US, the shipping will be about $7.50, I believe, because they'll fit in a flat rate padded envelope. International, you'll need to contact me for a shipping price. So let's get started. Here are the fabrics that are in this kit. You have this green, crinkly, sheer fabric. There's a, let me come out. There's a good sized piece of that. There's a piece of this gold silk fabric. Shiny. Looks like raw silk. If anybody's interested in this fabric, I have several large pieces of this fabric that came off of some curtains that I got from an estate sale. Excuse me. So I have lots of this fabric if anybody's interested. So there's a piece of that. There's a piece of this pink and teal and orange beaded sheer fabric. Come down so you can see the flowers are beaded, and then you've got the gold embroidery around it, and then that's the edge of it. Oops, so there's a piece of that. There's a piece of this sheer, that's the back side. Oh, there we go. Sheer beaded, or not beaded, sequined fabric. It's blue and gold. You've got the gold striping going through it. Very pretty. There's a piece of that. There's a piece of this, I guess this is a gold fabric as well. It looks like a strange color in the viewfinder, but it's kind of a grayish gold. Well, it looks like a weird color in the viewfinder, but it's like a grayish gold color. And then finally there will be a piece of this sheer, like chartreuse green with some beadwork in sections of it. Heavy beadwork there, and then there might be a couple of little circles of the beadwork. So that's the fabric that's in this kit. Each kit will come with a package of fibers, all different fibers. I think there's 10 different fibers in here. The fibers might be slightly different, but for the most part they have these ones that I have here, all different ones. There's some eyelash, there's this teal one, it's kind of a netting. There's this one, there's a white fuzzy one, all different ones. There's a blue variegated one. Yellow eyelash. So it'll be a variety pack of 10 different fibers are in the kit. There's also going to be a grab bag of my colorful laces. This will be different in each kit. Just all my colorful laces, all different ones. So it's going to be a grab bag of lace, colorful lace. In each kit will be a selection of colorful doilies. There's 3 of this little one that's kind of a rose, dark rose color. 3 of this aqua. 3 of this was my attempt at beet dyeing. I kind of like the results. It came out very variegated. You can see the difference there. But this was the results of my attempt at beet dyeing. I love beets, so 3 of these purple ones. 3, nope, there's only 2 of, I guess 2 of this one. It's kind of a salmon color. And then 3 of this large white and blue. So each kit will have those doilies in it. Each kit will have these trims in it. You've got this gold gimp trim, shiny gimp trim, and I believe it's a yard of, not all of them, but this is a yard. I think one of them, some of them have shorter lengths. There's a yard of this loopy trim that's in green and yellow. A yard of this jewel-toned, little jewel-toned trim, all different colors. It's a yard of that. There's a yard of gold and cream rope trim. There's a yard, no, not a yard, this is probably about a half a yard of this dangle trim with the pom-poms on it in blue and red. Yeah, that's the front side. You get the little dangles. It's about a half a yard of that. And about a half a yard of this this dangle trim as well, with the shiny, very pale green and gold, I would say. Very shiny. So about half a yard of that. So those are the trims that come in this grab bag. Each grab bag will have a large selection of buttons and beads. There's a couple of these large buttons. There's some more of these. I think there's 3 of this one, 1 of that one, and 1 of this one. There's also a selection of all different sizes of these metallic buttons with the 3 flowers in the center of them. There's quite a few of those. There's a whole bunch of those. All different sizes and colors, metallic. There's a selection of these metallic finish beads. And then there's also this selection of wooden beads. All different styles of wooden beads to use in your dangles. All of those. So that will be the bead and button part of the kit. That's in all 3 kits. There's also a selection. I just got these in. I don't have very many of them, but they're gorgeous. These glass dangles in 4 different colors. You have the little amber ones, these little teal teardrops. They're all teardrop. Got these purple, light purple ones, and these darker blue ones. So those will also be in the kit. The embellishment part of the kit, come out a little bit. I've been making these tassels, these fabric tassels. So you'll get one of these, all with silk sari fabrics that you can hang from like the outside or wherever you want. So a tassel, you'll get these silk and organza flowers in 4 different colors: a blue, a purple, a rose, and a yellow. And there's 3 of each in the bundle. You'll get one of this gold flower dangle that's dimensional. You'll get these 2 black pearl and sequin appliques. This one looks like a grape leaf. You'll get those. You'll get one of this little bow with the flower and the tails coming off of it. You'll get 3 of this dark blue rolled roses. 3 of these yellow rolled roses. And 3 of these blue rolled roses. And then you'll also get a selection of my bead dangles. This will be different in every kit. I don't ever make 2 of the same, so you'll get 2 longer ones and 1 shorter one of my bead dangles that I make. Those will all be different. And then finally, in each kit, you'll get a baggie of sari pieces, colorful sari pieces. This will be different in each kit because I don't have 2 of the same of these either. So this is an example of one of the kits. Hold on, bear with me. Let me get them straight. It'll be some variety of colorful, shiny sari pieces. This is a long piece of trim, a little bit. It's pretty long. You got this shiny piece here. This gorgeous sheer piece with all the sequins. Got this piece here. This one's heavily beaded. That's all beadwork in there. Like I said, this will be different in every kit. This one's got a bird. Got some of that wire, kind of like wire work that's common in Indian fashion. This long embroidered piece. This one here. And a piece of this, I don't know what's the right side. It looks good on both sides. Sheer edge fabric. And then some smaller accent pieces. That one. This one. How shiny that is. And this one. The quantity will be roughly the same in every kit. There's another accent piece. And then each kit will have, how many did I put? 5 of the beaded appliques. This one has this. Like I said, these will all be different. I don't know what's the right side. Pretty silver and gold. These are so pretty. I love these. These are gorgeous in Gypsy albums. pink one, and then this one. So that's the sorry part of this album, and that is all. These are $40 a piece, one per person, first come first serve, so don't hesitate if you're interested, because these always go fast. That's all I have for today. This weekend I think I'm going to be doing crochet trims and maybe something else. I'm not sure. I haven't started putting it together yet, but that's all for today. Bye for now.